Just arrived at the Medini Mall dito sa Malaysia. Kain muna kami sa Burger King bago kami pumasok sa Legoland. So ayan, mag-dessert sila from BK sa Italia Gelato.
What flavor you want to try?
Really? Paper. Summer.
Ang galing! Ang cute! So nice. Yan.
Gagawa siya ng coin.
Coin, sige. Hanap tayong paraan. Ay, ang ganda. What are you doing?
Veras.
So, ito yung ginawa nila. Oberas. So, the first ride for the day after 4 hours is the boating school. Go, bye-bye. Hi. Yay! So, nasakay na kami sa boat. Hello. Grabe, ang init. Pero saya. Mahangin-hangin naman siya.
Metric. Paano tayo?
Ayan. O, diba? Nakapayong kami.
Hiram lang namin ang kulay ko.
Okay, we're done. Pasok muna kami sa restaurant. It is waiting for our drinks. Drinks na kami kasi all na kami. Second ride na kami out of 40. So, sakay na kami ng Legoland Express.
Lakasan nyo.
Ito kami ngayon sa theater. Manonood muna kami.
Don't worry, I'm only kidding. I don't remember everything I say either.
It'll go faster when you're in a better mood.
Or it'll go faster when we catch a lift on Destiny's Bounty! We couldn't have done this without you. Hopefully, see each other again.
Lost Kingdom Adventure.
Mamalil kayo? Boom.
OMG. OMG. Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Daddy yung 1.5 ako. Yay! Yung cute! Hello, Daddy. Tapos na kami. Ang cute. So, ang score ni Daddy 7,000. Ako 9,000. Si Kuya Gigi 21,500. Grabe, ang galing ng ni Jill, Gabs and Jerry. Kasi number 1 sana sila. First sila dun eh. Tapos kami third. Third place. Cute. Made of Lego din. Lego bit. So, magta-tower kami. We're going up. Hello. We're going up na. Very good, DJ. Papunta sa roller coaster. May bus. Smile, Legoland, Malaysia. Thank you for this day. Lord, salamat. Hello. Starbucks kami ng Medini Mall sa Johor, Malaysia. So, we're just waiting for our service. Si Vivian, going back to Singapore.